Are you a beginner in skincare? Let me guide you on how to build a routine from scratch. Hey there, if you are new to skincare and feeling a little lost, don't worry, I have got you. Let me walk you through a simple routine that actually works. First, you need to understand your skin type. Is it normal, dry, combination, oily, or sensitive? Once you know that, choosing the right product become way easier. Next, write down the common concerns you want to correct, like acne, dullness, or pigmentation. Now, we will talk about morning routine. Start with a gentle cleanser. If you have a dry to normal skin, and if your skin is oily or combination, go for a salicylic acid based cleanser. Then, use a corrective serum according to your skin concern. And here I will leave a guide in the caption below to help you choose. Follow that with the moisturizer and sunscreen. Yes, even if you are staying indoor, sunscreen is must. Now let's move to night routine. If you used a water resistant sunscreen or have oily skin, you will go for double cleanse at night. And for dry or sensitive skin, one cleanse is enough. No need for double cleansing. Then apply a retinol cream or serum. Choose one that suits your skin type. Now, let's moisturize your skin. Moisturizer containing a ceramides, niacinamides, peptides to help you repair your skin barrier overnight. And that's it. A simple, effective skincare routine from scratch. Start small, stay consistent, and your skin will thank you. And if this helped, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more skin wisdom. See you soon. Thanks me later.